Hello everybody, welcome to another video. As you can see, I'm back on the river. I've just left base and I'm heading towards London Bridge. Oh, hang on, what's going on here? Oh dear. Now, problem with London Bridge area is if we have a little issue like this, it does cause chaos. So I don't know what's going on here, but I think he'd got some kind of mechanical issue. I'm wondering, obviously it's one of these boats where you can drive up top, upper deck, and you can drive lower deck. So I'm just wondering if he's having trouble switching between those two functions. Just don't know. But yeah. So stuck here for a little bit. You do have to excuse me, by the way, I've got a really bad cold, so it does make me sound 50% more northern than I already am. Anyway, where was we? Oh yeah, we're round about here. So what I've seen on all the charts there, that heat wave is going to be blowing in towards the end of this week. It's nice temperature now, really cloudy, but it's just nice, a little bit fresh at the edges. But yeah, all good. So here, moored up at Womack Staithe, just a little walk around with a dog, and yeah, it's really nice, very calm, but the weather is quite moody, so yeah, just adding that little bit more atmosphere to it, but I'm happy with this. So it's time just to get the drone up a little bit here, just so you can see the layout. The best of the sunset here. Unfortunately, I timed it badly. I took the dog for a walk, and by the time I got back, the light show was over. Okay, so it's the next morning, trickling down the river towards Potter Heigham. It's one of them days, as you can see, as soon as you get that glistening on the water there, you know you're in for a very good day. So this is fairly early, and a bit shocked actually that there's not so many moorings anymore at Potter Heigham, which I think is going to be a problem. It kind of puts you off going. Yeah, so they've done away with a couple of moorings there, like the quiet moorings, so they've all gone. And it's just the main stretch now where you can moor. Okay, I've got the drone up again. I went to about 285 feet here, so we're just filming the distance beyond Potter Heigham Bridge. And I looked up and I could see a bird of prey circling my drone really high up, so I kind of got worried. I think it was just curious, but you never know, because birds do attack drones, and so yeah, we're just worried. I kept watching it going round and round in circles, and I could just see my drone there high up in the sky, so I brought it down pretty sharp. So just leaving Potter Heigham now, and heading towards St Benet's Abbey. I'm going to have a night there. All these people that are sailing, these are exactly the same people from the day before, and actually bump into them again at St Benet's Abbey. So yeah, a little trickle down the river, not far, just go around the corner and then I'm back at the Abbey there, and yeah, I'll stay there for the night. So just before we finish there, I'm going to leave you with some nice aerial shots of St Benet's Abbey. Got the drone up again, and before I go there, if you can just do me a favour, if you could like the video and subscribe, that'd be great. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care. See you then. Bye.